Hi everyone, how are you? Welcome to today's cooking segment. We are making some Easter s'mores. I'd like to introduce my helper, Flynn Turnbull. How old are you, Flynny? 10, and my name is Kim McCosker, and this is a recipe actually that featured in this week's National IGA catalogue. So it was out yesterday. If you haven't subscribed to their weekly catalogue, get onto iga.com.au and do so, because you know, the recipes and the specials are fantastic, and if you shop in season and on sale, you are bound to save money in the kitchen. So hello to everyone joining us today. We are making Easter s'mores, and we are making with two ingredients we love more than anything in our entire lives, Flynny. Hey, Nutella and marshmallows. So here's the thing, s'mores originated in America, and it's a campfire treat. Now every year we go camping, don't we?
Yeah.
At Easter, where do we go?
Somerset Dam.
Out to Somerset Dam. There's about 6 families, and this is a great little treat that you can introduce to your family, your children, etc. around the campfire. But today we aren't using crackers or arrowroot biscuits as the traditional s'mores does. We are using hot cross buns. So Flinny, can you pass me the hot cross buns? Now, why hot cross buns? They are an Easter delight, aren't they? You know, they've been around for about 700 years, part of Easter folklore as to the reasons how they started. Someone says a monk invented them way back in the 12th century and put a cross on them. You know, lots of folklore about good old hot cross buns. But we know that when something is 700 years of age, there's 1,000 ways to use hot cross buns in the kitchen. And hello to everybody joining us. We've got Rebecca Costa, Leslie Millett Upton. Hello to you, Rachel Allison. So lucky for you to have a great helper. Yes, I am very, very blessed. Maureen Matthews, good morning from Tamworth. Oh, we're heading your way on the weekend. Where are we going, Flinny? Armadale, just north of Tamworth, actually, for a big rugby carnival. So here you go. What I love about the hot cross buns at the moment, these beautiful yarrow spiced fruit Easter buns were on sale at my local IGA this morning for $2.99. Pack of 6, $2.99. And the second you unearth them from the packet, you can smell the beautiful spices and fruit, can't you, in the packet. So what I'm going to do, and Flinny, oh, thanks, love, if you do that. Can you open the Nutella for me, sweetie? You're going to cut to make these really nice. So I've preheated my oven to 180 degrees. And now Flynn and I, here you go, love, can you start buttering them with Nutella? We're going to just cut our hot cross buns like so. Flinny's going to butter one side with Nutella, yummy, yummy Nutella. And then we're going to top them with marshmallows. So a traditional s'more was made with biscuits. And what you did, you took a long skewer, you heated your marshmallow in your campfire, you put a little bit of chocolate on your biscuit, then your hot toasted marshmallow, put another biscuit on top, a sandwich, and that's how you ate your s'mores around the campfire. No right or wrong way as to how you make s'mores, but this is one that you can do at home with the kids this Easter using hot cross buns. And I'd love to hear from you all as well. Are you buying hot cross buns this Easter? And if you are, what are you doing with them? Make sure as well you subscribe to the 4 Ingredients newsletter, because we had a fabulous little newsletter go out yesterday with my 4 top tips on how to use hot cross buns. This was one of the recipes. So, one more to go. Thanks, Flinner. And then our 2 ingredients so far, obviously hot cross buns and Nutella. And what I love, you can tell the second you open these hot cross buns, they're really light and airy. Some are really, quite a little bit too doughy. So these are really, really nice and beautiful. So look for IGA this week, and the brand is called Yarrows. To be honest, they were just at the cash register this morning at my local Caloundra IGA. So very easy to find and on sale, which we love as well. So what I'm going to do, swap around here, and I'm just going to move that so you can all see a bit better. There we are. I'm going to start to top with, I'm going to put 4 marshmallows on each. So I just got a little bag of marshmallows. And another thing, get these on sale. These are usually a bag of marshmallows, Allen's nice fluffy marshmallows, around $5. They're on sale for $2.50, so half price. And that's the other thing about the weekly IGA newsletter. The very opening page gives you all their half price sales, which I really like, because half price when dishwashing liquid, you know, or the dishwasher tablets are on sale, or my favorite washing powder for our clothes is on half price. I kind of tend to buy in bulk a little. So have we got enough, sweetie? We've got 4 on each. And as I said, I've just preheated the oven, and I want you all to see what these look like. So we're really only baking these for 5 or 6 minutes. So I'm going to have a little bit of a chat to you in a sec. So for those of you that don't like chatting online through my Facebook Lives, go away, do something. And what we're going to do now, face cleaner, is just put the lid on, like so. And you could butter the top side if you wanted to, but I'm choosing not to, because those lovely marshmallows are going to melt and bind. Can I go? You can go. Well, thank you for helping. Say bye, everyone. Bye. Bye. Oh, there's only 2 there. We'll put 2 more here. And that's 4 marshmallows on the top of each of my hot cross buns. So can you all see that? So a layer of Nutella, 4 marshmallows, put the lid on, and then let's pop them in the oven, which is just here, for 5 minutes. And hello to everybody. How are you all this morning? Who has bought hot cross buns so far this year, and what have you done with them? I'd love to know. And also, join me next week. I think it's on Wednesday morning next week. I'm actually going to do a really beautiful bread and butter Easter pudding made with hot cross buns as well. So we can talk about all things Easter and hot cross buns next week too. It's really, really good, really easy. Kylie Sullivan, hello from Central New South Wales. Cassandra Fraser, hello to you too. Anne Eaton, hello from Geelong. What's the weather like in Geelong today, Anne? Because actually here on the sunny coast, it's a little overcast. Yesterday, we were swimming with dolphins at Rainbow Beach, and today we've got a little lightweight cardi on. So how quickly the seasons change. Graham Roberts, hello from Mount Morgan. Oh, isn't that beautiful? My eldest son's name, Mount Morgan. I love that name. Sharon Frame, hello to you. Amanda Helen Kanofsky, hello to you. Cass Evans, Tina Webb Bayliss. Now, this is one your family, your new granddaughter, she's too little to eat yet, but you're going to be making this for her for many years to come. Sherelle Kath, hello from beautiful Toowoomba, City of Roses. I love Toowoomba, it's gorgeous. Oh, City of Roses, no, is that Warwick? And Toowoomba's Garden City? Oh, I love my flowers. I can't wait to retire. I'm going to be an avid gardener. Sally Adicott. So for all of you who have just joined us, I have just put some beautiful s'mores. Now, s'mores originated around a campfire in America, and they've been integrated into our daily lives as well. Well, not our daily lives, but, you know, another thing that I do as a dip, I'll get a little tray, I'll break up some Cadbury's chocolate, and then I'll just stud it with marshmallows all the way around, and then I'll bake it. So you need a slow bake oven for that, about 150 degrees for around about 10 minutes. And what happens is that, you know, the heat is trapped in underneath the marshmallows. It melts the chocolate, it melts the marshmallows, but the marshmallows keep their form. And then I use Scotch finger biscuits, and we dip like so. So I usually do that when my boys have sleepovers and there's quite a few kids and I'm entertaining them. So that's another really great use, just with, you know, ingredients you probably already have or are easily available. But look out for your marshmallows for those of you like me going camping this year, because generally they're around $5 a pack. So when you see them for half price like I did today, get a couple of those. You know, I got 3 bags today. So 1 to use today and then 2 to take next week camping with us. Oh, I can just see the powder from them on my cardi. So yes, who here is making, what are you making for Easter this year? Who's eating fish next to Good Friday? For those of you that didn't actually see my little salmon quiches that Flynn and I did earlier in the week, make sure you have a look for them too, because they were so yummy. And so Monday, I think we did them, or Sunday, I can't remember, Sunday afternoon. But little salmon quiches, they were beautiful and perfect for Good Friday as well. Sue Rygat, hello from Yarloop. Yarloop, I don't know, where's Yarloop? I've never heard of that, Sue. Lee Anderton, hello to you. Melissa Phillips, always do buy them, put butter on them first and toast them in the air fryer. You've done hot cross buns in the air fryer? Never even thought of it. Okay, well, that's really interesting. Thanks for the input. Jenny Brown, hello to you. Melita Allen, hello to you. Chiara Georgianis, love my hot cross buns, but have been good to not buy any yet. I know. Well, just buy them. I've got my 13-year-old, so that was my 10-year-old. My 13-year-old is about to land here. So it's about 11:15, midday, with 4 of his best friends for a sleepover. So these are going to be really popular. So I'm doing BLTs for lunch, and then I've got my Easter s'mores for dessert for them. So make them when you've got, you know, people coming. Otherwise, you tend to just sort of eat them, you know, bit by bit yourself, which, oh my gosh, you know, straight from the lips to the hips. Not so good when you're our age, beautiful people. Sheila Brennett, hello to you, neighbour. She's just around the corner. Debbie Rudd Briscoe, all the way from Harvey Bay. How are you, Dale? Hope it's nice and sunny up there today. Lucy Kidd, hello to you. Justine Kuna, hello, Kim. I bought hot cross buns and made a white chocolate and raspberry hot cross plum pudding. Well, do you know what? And it's perfect actually for Easter at the moment as well. Little 4 ingredients, chocolate cakes and cute things. There is also a recipe in here, and it is a bread and butter pudding, but it uses croissants. So croissants, custard, raspberry jam and white chocolate, and you just stub the white chocolate and you bake it. So for those of you that have got 4 ingredients, chocolates, cakes and cute things, it's a cracker of a recipe coming into Easter, because there's, you know, a whole chapter on chocolate. So, you know, how to melt chocolate successfully, the various types of chocolate, you know, 60% cocoa, 70%, 90%, all of that, lots of every possible chocolate question answered is answered in 4 ingredients, chocolates, cakes and cute things. But it's just a really good little book if you are, you know, entertaining at Easter, if you've got a Mother's Day high tea, if you've got an engagement party, a baby shower, a wedding shower. So many beautiful little sweet and savory ideas in this book. So, you know, look out for it at the moment. It's the one I think that's on sale for Easter at the moment. And for those of you as well, we've got just until Friday to enter our beautiful little baby bowl competition, where we're giving away 4 copies of Baby Bowl signed. So anyone with a baby or a toddler or a kindergarten child in their lives, you're going to love this one, because there's a really good little lunchbox section in there. And to be honest, the minestrone soup in this book is still what I'm cooking my family these days. Minestrone I find brilliant for using up leftovers. So, you know, you've always got a little bit of cauliflower or a little bit of capsicum or a few chickpeas left over, whatever. That all goes into my minestrone, and that recipe is in Baby Bowl, believe it or not. So not just for families with babies, but fussy eaters too. You know, we all have one of them. My middle son's my little fussy eater. My top and my bottom will eat what's in the oven. My middle son won't, because he doesn't like sultanas in bread. Oh, God forbid they should all like the same thing. But anyway, that's okay. It doesn't stop us from making it and enjoying it with our family and friends. Anne Eaton, weather is yucky, cold, still and cloudy. Susan Keisel, hello. Megan Kane, hello from WA. Sue Dwyer from Noarlunga Downs in South Australia. Terry Bazant, hello from Chester Hill. I don't know where Chester Hill is, Terry. Where is that? Sounds like it should be a suburb, maybe in Melbourne or something. So Ashley Irving, hot cross bun s'mores. Yes, please. And look, they're so easy as well. So if you love this recipe, make sure you look out as well for our recipe next week. Also using our little spiced fruit Easter buns. They come in a pack of 6. We're on sale for $2.99 at IGA today. Fabulous saving. But yeah, I'm using them to make my bread and butter pudding next week. And I'm sort of whisking up my own homemade custard made from eggs, cream, and a little bit of sugar, because there's natural sweetness in this. We don't need the traditional amount of sugar that you would find in a custard recipe. So that's going to be really good too next week. But we're kind of talking all things Easter recipe leading up to Good Friday next week. So if you haven't subscribed to the 4 Ingredients Ingredients newsletter, make sure you do so. Yesterday's had a great article that I'd written, a blog about my top favourite ways with hot cross buns, and also to the IGA weekly newsletter as well. So I just love it because every Wednesday, bang, front page, it tells me the half price sales, what they are, and you know, I know straight away whether I want to buy them or not. But good, I like informative information from newsletters. Shelley Newitt, hello from Port Kennedy. Well, hello Shelley. Annie Arthur, hi, they look good. They'll look better when they come out of the oven. So I'm waffling on at the moment, but I'm liking reading all your comments because I actually want to start and finish this recipe on this live because it's so easy. So, you know, you could do it as well if you made 6 of these, if you're going camping, fold them a couple of times in alfoil and put them into just the embers at the edge of your campfire. Otherwise, I'd use arrowroot biscuits, toast your marshmallows, put your Nutella, then your melted marshmallows, sandwich it with another arrowroot biscuit, and that's a perfect little campfire s'more too. So lots of different ways to enjoy your s'mores. Has anyone made them before themselves? So Carly Burton Beckett, all the way from Stanthorpe, will be passing through your beautiful town tomorrow, darling, on our way to Armidale. So big weekend of rugby down in beautiful Armidale. Marcia Gretsch, hello from Melton in Melbourne. Joanne Martin, I would love to buy your books on diabetes. Joe, they're always for sale on, we've got a huge store website, foringredients.com.au. Otherwise, just go to our Contact Us page and call our office. Our beautiful staff there will help you select whatever book it is that you need. But for Ingredients Diabetes, you are not going to find the Easter s'mores recipe in it, but you will find a whole range of beautiful, quick, easy, delicious recipes. Fabulous for diabetics. I grew up with a type 2 diabetic, so diabetes is very near and dear to my heart. Julie Lovell, hello from Tasmania. RJG, I bought a pack of normal hot cross buns that the kids smashed before we got a chance to do anything with them for ourselves. This week we bought them, oh, there's some chocolate ones. Actually, I saw them as well on the shelf and they were on sale, the chocolate hot cross buns. So actually they'd be really nice done with some Nutella and, you know, some s'mores as well. So give them a whirl. Veronica Jordan, too much talking, I know, Veronica, but like I said at the top, I'm actually wanting to start and finish this video so that you get to see what they look like when they come out of the oven. So probably nearly ready. Let me just get my little, here we go, oven mitts, pulling them out here. And let's see what they look like coming out of the oven if they're nearly ready. I'll just make some space here. And oh my gosh, look at these. Oh la la. Don't go anywhere. You're going to love them. Can you see we've had an explosion on a couple? They smell divine. It's that beautiful sort of soft cinnamon scent and fruit, sort of burning fruit scent of the hot cross buns, but then the marshmallows as well. So let me just turn it around for you. And I'll take a little image and I'll post it as well at the top. But that is our really simple, easy, delicious little Easter s'mores. So to cut one of these, oh, I just need a nice cup of tea to go with them now. Oh, I know I just licked my fingers, but this is mine. I'm going to eat it myself. Oh, I can hear the crunch. I don't know if you can hear the crunch. Look at that. Now, isn't that a fabulously easy little Easter treat? Easter s'mores, everybody. Thanks to our good friends at IGA. Hot cross buns are on sale this week. Race in, get your packet. You just need some Nutella and marshmallows, and hey presto, you've got an easy entertainer everyone, all your family and friends are going to love. You'll love it. I'll put a poster, I'll put a little picky up directly. See you, everybody. Have a fabulous day and join me next week where we've got more easy Easter entertaining ideas just in time for Easter this year for you. Bye.